I can show you how a quiz funnel can help you to grow your business and when to actually use a quiz funnel in your coaching business. Hi, this is Terrence from Radical Marketing. Today, I want to introduce you to high ticket coaching funnel number 4, which is the quiz funnel. Let's first of all give you a broad overview of what a quiz funnel looks like. Basically, on the left-hand side, you have your ad, which brings traffic to your quiz. And once they interact with your quiz and answer questions, they basically get a personalized offer and personalized results. And finally, what happens is you have a personalized way of following up with all the people who have taken your quiz who are qualified. So let's take a look at an example of what a quiz looks like that we constructed recently. And we are actually, have done to generate leads for, in this case, an insurance company, right? I know it's not a high ticket coaching offer, but in this case, insurance offers are actually quite high ticket as well when you're selling life insurance, right? So, but the principles remain the same. The important thing is that you see how this quiz can work for this insurance company and how that relates to your own business, right? So firstly, what we do here is we get them to answer a series of questions. So let's basically go through this whole series of questions, right? And yeah, you can help them to personalize it. So I'll put my name there, Terrence. Do you have kids? So I'll just answer truthfully. I'll answer my age. Do I have a baby? Thank goodness. No, I didn't have a baby in the last 24 months. Do you have an existing life insurance policy? Yes, I do. And you can see here there's personalization that happens already, right? Based on what I typed in earlier. And what do you think is your current insurance payout? So I'll just type over a million. How many months of living expenses do you want your family to have? Ideally, of course, they'll never have to work again, right? Are you 100% sure that your policies cover everything, right? So no, I'm not too sure about that. When was the last time you had a review? I'll say 1 to 3 years ago. Okay. Am I a business owner or employee? Now, here is very what happens here. I won't get into the complexities of it, the technical stuff of it. Is that if I answer business owner, I will get a different set of questions after that. Whereas if I answer employee, I will also get a separate set of questions that is more tailored towards employees. So in this case, let me click on business owner. Did I start my business in the last 3 years? No. Has your business experienced an increase or decrease of profits of more than 15%? Yes. So, and then finally you answer your email and show me my score, right? So, yeah. All right. So as you can see, we actually score the quiz based on the answers that people input in the previous quiz, right? So that score is totally based on what they answer. And so I think it's out of 100. So the higher you score, what happens is the more protected you are, right? So in this case, I have a medium level of wealth protection, as you can see on the left-hand side here. So that's kind of okay, right? And basically what we're gonna do is we offer a free wealth gap analysis, right? So in this case, I can then enter my details and a sales team member will follow up with me. All right. So yeah, the whole thing is based on the score, I will get a different response here. Okay. And a different image as well, I believe. So yeah, this is basically what a quiz funnel should look like. And as you can see, I'm sure you can see some immediate benefits of doing so. First of all, it's very personalized. As you can see, it gives me a personalized score as well. a personalized kind of response as well based on my score. So yeah, I think that is basically what I want to show you in this quiz. Now let's go back to the presentation. So guys, why do we want to use a quiz funnel? A quiz, as you can see, gets all these mini commitments from the prospect. And by getting them to answer certain questions, it's like basically they want to commit more and more to you. It's like kind of the whole thing about 3 yeses to get a definite answer or get a buyer, right? This is basically getting this micro commitments and interactions with your prospects so that they are more committed to seeing the result and also more committed to taking action with you. Second thing, if you kind of create a quiz that piques people's curiosity, like just now, people want to find out what score they have, right? What's the protection score? In another quiz we designed for another coach, it was basically asking people, hey, discover what type of entrepreneur you are. Are you more like an Elon Musk? Are you more like a Jeff Bezos? Are you more like a Warren Buffett or Oprah Winfrey? What happens with that curiosity thing? The benefit is that you get very, very low cost per lead. That curiosity factor drives people to want to take that quiz, right? And third thing is that you get to segment your list, right? So say, for example, you have high income, mid income, and low income earners in your list. And you might want to speak to them in a different way because especially if you're, say, selling an investment product, use that data from that survey that quiz that you just did to actually segment them and send them each segment a different message, right? And different follow-up messages as well. When you've sent out those automated emails, automated SMSs, or whatever correspondence, you are speaking to their particular sets of needs and wants, right? So that is the other benefit of having a quiz funnel. The fourth thing is that you have that personalized output, right? So that personalized output really helps you to then follow up in a more personal way as well. So imagine you have your sales team, they look through the quiz answers. When they follow up with that prospect, they already have a good degree of information about the prospect. So they are then able to follow up with, hey, John, I realized that you haven't had an insurance review in, say, 3 years, right? So would you be interested to get a free assessment on your insurance policies, right? It'll cost you absolutely nothing, etc., etc. So that is basically one of the key benefits of using a quiz survey, a quiz funnel, right? And for many of you, you are in the high ticket coaching niche and you only want to speak to highly qualified prospects, right? So having this quiz funnel in place will help you to qualify the people that you actually want to speak to. So say, for example, you only want to speak to the cream of the crop, and those people are qualified to get an appointment with you. But if their answers indicate they are not qualified, you might send them to a video instead, or you send them to like one of your sales advisors or something else so that doesn't drain your time. So basically, you only speak with the most qualified people, right? So that is another benefit of using a quiz funnel. And finally, I think just getting that feedback from that quiz is so important as well, because from that feedback, for example, if I were to run 5 different ads, right, and I wonder like which ad is actually getting me the people from a particular industry, for example, or people with a particular job title, for example, I can then, using UTM codes with my ads, cross-check with the results of the quiz to actually discover which ad is bringing me the right types of people that are qualified that I want to speak to. And so I can decrease my ad budget, for example, on the other 4 ads and increase my ad budget on the right ad that is bringing in the right people. So that is the another benefit of using a quiz funnel. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this presentation on quiz funnels. I know it's very brief, but I hope it's given you enough ideas and enough inspiration and applicable tactics and ideas to actually implement a quiz funnel in your business. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit subscribe button and make sure you check out all the other videos in this series for high ticket coaching funnels. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.